everybody. My name is Sblendorio. I'm the CEO of Iveric Bio, and I want to thank the Foundation Fighting Blindness for inviting us to investing in cures. I want to tell you a little bit about our company. It's quite exciting what we're doing. Our goal is to develop transformative therapies for retinal diseases, and that's our sole focus. We are based in New York City. We're a development stage company, meaning that we have a number of potential products in our pipeline that we hope someday to bring to patients. Let me tell you a little bit about our exciting pipeline. We have two areas, therapeutics and also gene therapy. Therapeutics offer an opportunity to treat a disease, maybe slow the progression, potentially reverse the progression, but they're not cures. Our gene therapy portfolio potentially offers an opportunity for cures for these patients. And those programs are in early stage. Let me talk a little bit about our therapeutics first. It's led by Zimura, a treatment for geographic atrophy, secondary to dry AMD. This is a devastating disease for patients. It eventually ends in blindness. We have two phase 3 trials, one complete, one that's ongoing called Gather 2 that is recruiting currently, and we hope to finish the recruitment in the third quarter of this year, and then data would come 12 months after that. The first trial that we completed back in October of 2019 was extremely positive. It hit its primary endpoint. We showed a 27% reduction in growth rates, and we've seen that effect not only at the primary endpoint, which was 12 months, but we continued to treat these patients through 18 months and seen the continuous effect. So we are very excited about that and hope that we could bring a treatment to these patients. Currently, there is no approved treatment, so this is an area of unmet medical need. Our second program, also in the clinic, is for Stargardt disease. This affects approximately 65 to 80,000 patients in the United States and Europe. These patients tend to be younger. We have a phase 2B trial currently ongoing that we expect to complete in the coming years. This could also be a very exciting treatment for patients since there currently is no treatment options for these patients. We also have an early stage program, which we call IC500. It targets HTRA1, also potentially for age-related macular degeneration. This is a new target. We're quite excited about bringing this into the clinic, potentially in the next couple of years. And then I'll move to our gene therapy programs. We have 5 of them working with world-class collaborators at the University of Pennsylvania, the University of Florida, and the University of Massachusetts. Our lead program is for retinitis pigmentosa, ADRP. This is a disease that affects approximately 12,000 patients in the United States and Europe. We hope to enter the clinic with a gene therapy treatment sometime this year. Our second program in BEST1 related diseases, also planned to be in the clinic later this year, is also an exciting program and impacts approximately 10,000 to 40,000 patients in the United States and Europe. We're also working on a program with the University of Massachusetts and Stargardt disease. Early days on this, but we have some exciting research that we'll be talking about later in the year, and we're hoping to identify a lead candidate that we could also bring into the clinic. So we have a lot going on. We have 2 other gene therapy programs in earlier stages. We're looking forward to keeping you updated as we move forward. But our goal is to bring transformative therapies to patients suffering from retinal diseases. And again, I want to thank the Foundation Fighting Blindness for inviting us, and look forward to keeping you updated as we move forward. Thank you.